Hello, and welcome to Mobile Print. This series of videos will help you, the customer, make efficient use of our service at the Digital Print and Design Center, or DPDC. This is a revolutionary new service from the UMSU-run DPDC. These detailed tutorials will allow you the opportunity to get the most from our mobile print service. Let's get started. Setting up your account is easy. Visit this website from any computer or smartphone. When you visit this link, you'll be greeted with our login page. At the bottom, you'll find the Create an Account link. Clicking on this link will take you to our registration page. Here, you'll fill out the registration form indicating your full name and email address that you regularly use. It does not need to be your U of M or ICM email address. You will also need to create a unique username and password that you will soon use as your identity on the mobile print service. Once all of these fields are filled in, press the Register button to complete your registration. You should receive an email indicating your username and password after this. Please be sure to make note of your username and password, as you'll need it to log in to the system. You'll also be asked to verify your email address. This is necessary to take full advantage of the DPDC mobile print service. Once you have created and verified your mobile print account, you'll gain access to our online portal. This portal is accessible by going to the website on screen and logging in with your username and password. You'll see a collection of links in the left dashboard to maximize use of the service. You'll see uploaded jobs, your remaining balance, and so much more. You can also add money here. By using your credit card or Visa debit, just click on the Add Credit link on the left-hand side. Select your amount, and you'll be asked to input your credit card info. Once you add that in, your account will be credited. If you'd rather pay in person during business hours using cash, debit, or credit, come on in to the DPDC and we can accept those forms of payment for you. If you happen to forget your username and password, you can check your email address used to register for them both. If you cannot find that email, drop on by the DPDC or live chat with us. If the website says we are online, you can contact us with any and all questions you might have. That about takes care of setting up your account and loading money onto it. If you have any further questions, drop by the DPDC in UMSU University Center and we can help you out. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.